Hey, second graders, this week in math, you guys are going to be working on what's called capacity. And so capacity, this is how you spell it, and that is how much a container can hold. So it's like how much volume can be put into a container, all right? So around the world, it's called the metric system, kind of a different way of units of measurement. And so one of those, kind of how sometimes people might use kilometers instead of miles for measurement, okay? So the metric system would use liters for capacity. And so this is a liter. Often you'll see in pop drinks, they'll sell those drinks in 2 liters, so double of this, all right? So for a liter, the abbreviation is a cursive L. So if you see a 5 with a cursive L, it means 5 liters of something. Okay, but we're going to focus more today on the United States units of measurement, which are actually very similar to Britain's units of measurement. All right, and so these will sound more familiar to you. All right, so I've written what they are and also the abbreviation above them. So we have cups over here. The abbreviation is a C, okay? And so 2 cups, often you'll use like a measuring cup if you're helping with baking or cooking at home. So 2 cups equals 1 pint. PT is abbreviation for pint. 2 cups equals 1 pint. Guess how many pints equal a quart? If you said 2, you are correct. 2 pints equals 1 quart. And so quart is abbreviated QT. Okay? Then 2 quarts would equal a half of a gallon. Okay? Gallon, G-A-L, gal, a gal. And then, of course, 2 half gallons makes 1 whole gallon. All right, the tricky part is when you are saying, hey, how many cups are in a quart? Oh, we skipped. Okay, so just kind of double as you go. So if 2 cups equals 1 pint, okay, 2 cups equals a pint. Let's double that to 2 twos is a 4. So it would take 4 cups to equal a quart. All right, so let's say we wanted cups to go to a half of a gallon. So we double the cups that were in the quart. All right, so we had 4 cups in a quart. If we double that, we get 2 4s, 8. All right, we have 8 cups in half a gallon. So if we double that, 8 is 16. So there are 16 cups in a gallon. I know it's kind of tricky to do that. Maybe you have to draw pictures to kind of help you figure out how to skip around a little bit. But let's go from pints to a half gallon, okay? So 2 pints equal a quart. If we double that 2, we get a 4. So therefore, 4 pints are in a half gallon. If we double that 4, we get an 8. So 8 pints in 1 gallon. Let's do one more. All right, because this one you might use quite a bit. Okay, quarts. 2 quarts in half a gallon. Okay, if we double those 2 quarts, we get 4. So 4 quarts in a gallon. That's kind of a common one you kind of want to memorize as you get older and older. Okay, so cups, pints, quarts, half gallon to gallon. And maybe you want to draw yourself a little chart so it's easier for you to remember. Just FYI, for your information, a liter is pretty close to a quart as far as how much it can hold. I know the quart is shorter, but it's also wider. So these hold almost the same amount. They're pretty similar in size. Okay, there's another video for you to watch that just kind of is a little more fun to kind of hopefully get these things into your brain. So click on to that video next and have a great week, you guys. Bye.